But Frederick, you must give up writing. It is silly. You will never be published.
It isn't about being published, Mother. I write for the sheer fun of it. I will never stop.
But Frederick, it prevents you from meeting any women. They need to come first, since I want grandchildren.
Hey there, welcome back to another Write With Me. My name is Aaron Lee, your daily writing companion. Together, you and I are going to write an imperfect story in 10 minutes. That's correct, imperfect, 10 minutes. It's gonna be great. What we're gonna do is turn our minds off and let our fingers do the writing. When you write, you are never wrong.
Wrong!
Let me give you a word that we're all gonna start with. Start with the word unpublished, and then from there, let's see where the story goes. Word by word, unpublished. Set a timer for 10 minutes right here. And remember, we're writing an imperfect story. Don't worry about the spelling. Don't worry about this being graded at the end, because no one's gonna be grading you. You're just gonna be enjoying it at the end. I'll tell you that. Okay. Hey, congratulations. You wrote a story, and that's fantastic work. I'm so proud of you. I'm proud of me too. So without further ado, here's what I wrote. And remember, the word was unpublished. Unpublished. Let's see what I came up with. Unpublished stories filled the drawers of one Frederick von Bumble.
But Frederick, you must give up writing. It is silly. You will never be published.
It isn't about being published, Mother. I write for the sheer fun of it. I will never stop.
But Frederick, it prevents you from meeting any women. They need to come first, since I want grandchildren.
Mother was frustrated with the boy. She went out and stumbled into a publisher's house.
Excuse me, you can't just come in here,
said the secretary. It's all right, Dorothy. What can I help you with, ma'am? The publisher was a beautiful woman, and the mother was determined to get Freddie a woman and published, for she really wanted grandchildren. Are you single, miss? I am.
Mother!
Freddie barges in.
Excuse me, you can't just...
It's all right, Dorothy. Did you write these stories? They're fantastic. Will you marry me? The pretty publisher was amazed at the day she was having. But having just taken an improv course, she was trained to yes and.
Yes, and we will honeymoon in Italy.
Freddie had not taken improv, but he was a natural, so it all worked out. Plus, she got him hooked later, and they had lots of fun together in Italy. Well, wasn't that a fun story? For not being published, we can still have lots of fun coming up with inventive little stories. And we did all that in 10 minutes. I hope that you had fun writing your 10-minute story. I know I did. If you want to write some more, come back tomorrow or watch another video straight away. My name is Aaron Lee, your daily writing companion, wishing you all the luck in your publishing endeavors, if that's what you require. But if not, let's simply have fun and enjoy writing every single little word together. Peace.